Hello guys and welcome to my video tutorial number 42, and this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to your website, okay, or to your server. So in this case we have our website CRUD Control Center, the test site, and what I want you guys to do first is to log in. So let's go to PHP MyAdmin and see. I don't remember any user and password. So PHP MyAdmin. I think I still have some passwords without the MD5 encryption. So I can see what the password is. Let's go to users, and I have here Victor. Oops. I have, okay, I just remembered a password. So I have a Rocky Balboa. One thing I want to remember you guys is that, for example, if you have from some other previous tutorials that we did, some users in your database with password without the encryption, the MD5 encryption, okay, like this one here. This is an MD5 encryption. So if you try to enter, if you try to enter in the login system with this user, for example, Victor, and the password 12345, let's try that. 12345, and click login. Your password is incorrect. And why is that? Because in the previous tutorial we did, I showed you how to encrypt all whatever we typed in here to an MD5 encryption, okay, and with that way PHP would take that encrypted password and compare it to whatever password already encrypted in MD5 in your database is the same, okay, to check if that is a correct password, and then would return back with a message saying, okay, you can enter, or wrong password. So I'm typing here 12345, but at the same time in the code, if we go to Notepad and open home login. If you open login.php, which is the script that processes all the login system, you'll see that here, okay, we are every time we type anything in here, automatically it turns to an MD5 encryption. Okay, so if I type here 12345, it will search for an encrypted 12345 and not this 12345 without any encryption at all. Okay, so that's why it returns an incorrect password. So I'm going to use an encrypted MD5 password that I did in the last video. If you don't remember any encrypted password or user that you did recently, you can go to the register and you can register there with a new user and password, and then you can return back here to login, and you can log in with that password, and you can go in to the CRUD test site. Okay, so Rocky Balboa, I remember this one from the last video. So Rocky Balboa, and here it's Balboa, and I'm in. Okay, so now what I want to do in this video is to show you how to make here in the form a little I'm going to make a little script to be able to load a picture, for example, Okay, so each user will have his own picture. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and that also you can use that also to upload either picture or some other file, other type of file. Okay, but I'm going to use pictures. Okay, in this case, so pictures will be JPEG files, MBP, BMP. So okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So open Notepad. Here we are, and I want you guys to open form.php, okay, and insert.php, which is the script that processes all this form. So in form.php, the first thing I want you guys to do is to write here in the form. You have to write form, and now you type enc type. Okay, let's leave a little space here. Enc type equals, and now you type between double quotes multi-part form data. Okay, let's put this here. So this line of code here, you have always to type this in your form, okay, in your open form tag, and this is a simple HTML line of code that will make able if you have always to upload a file, you have always to type this. Okay, so this makes your form able to have an uploaded file, okay, or to upload a file. So let's save this, and now down here, okay, I want you guys also to type a little thing here, which is a new input. Type hidden, so it will not be shown. Name equals, and here you type max file size, capital letters, and the value is going to be the value of the limit of the size that the file has to be. Okay, so the file will only upload if it's less than this number here, which is going to be 10 megabytes. Okay, so 10,000 bytes, 10 megabytes. Okay, so now I'm going to close this, and so if the file, you already know, if the file is bigger than 10 megabytes, it will not upload. Okay, and down here we type, before the input submit, we type another input, type equals, now we type file. Okay, this is a way to upload a file, and name we type upload. Okay, and close that, and you can type also a paragraph tag, and in here, let's save this, in here before the input we type choose your picture. Now let's save this, and let's open this, and in here let's refresh it, and beautiful. Okay, we have choose your picture, and we click here, and we will be able to search in our Explorer, Windows Explorer, for a file, okay, to upload. In this case, we will upload a picture or image file. So now I want you guys to go back here, and let's see this. If we click here, I'm going to choose this one, open. We see that the file is chosen here, and when I click register, you have to complete the form. Okay, So now we have to change the insert.php. Okay, so I want you guys to go there, and I want you guys to type this. My pic equals to files and files is a global a global variable, sorry, that will hold the value, okay, in here. Okay, so now we have to type files, and in here we have to type always the name, okay, this name here, which is the name of the value of the of the input, and the name is called upload, right? Upload. Okay, and in here we have to type name. Okay, and now here we type temp and files. Now upload, and in here we type temp name. Okay, make sure that you always, when you use the files global, super global, you have always to type first the name of the input, which is this one here, upload, and then you have to type name for the name. You always have to put here name first, and then you type temp name, which is going to be the temporary name of the file. And now we're gonna also gonna catch the type of file that is going to be uploaded. Okay, so we always have to know what type of file that is. That way we will use this variable to make a condition, then an if statement saying if the file is not a picture file, a JPEG or BMP file, don't load, or make an error message. So type is going to be upload, and in here we have to type type. Okay, so make sure you have the same variables and the same line of code that I typed in here. Okay, and now I'm going to type down here. I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna leave the rest for the next video. Okay guys, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.